Hey special someone, what's up, what's up? It's your Niqueee. Welcome back to my channel. If you would like to see how I got this look, keep on watching.
Couple bad bitches in my living room. They gon' ask me what I'm trying to get into. My gang hella crazy like I caught the flu.
Alright, so we're starting off with this 613 unit. I have worn it before, so you'll see like the laces cut off, but I haven't done anything to like the actual hair. So we're gonna put a little bit of the Shimmer Light shampoo into some warm water, and just dip it in there. I always make sure that when I'm doing it all at once, I do it fast so that it comes out more even. You really want to make sure that you don't put too much of the shampoo though, because it may turn your hair purple. You'll see in a second that I actually diluted my water even more because I really did not want purple in my wig.
I'm telling you, she's making videos on YouTube. I don't know, she wanted to become a YouTube star, I guess. She's dyeing hair. She's dyeing hair.
Oh, okay.
So she's trying to, she's trying to make a video showing people how to dye hair.
Okay, I got it.
So basically, y'all just saw me tone this hair into, more of a cool tone wig. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna part some sections out that are not gonna get dyed, and hopefully we gonna hope that it creates like some highlights, which it should. And what I'm gonna do is find the middle part. So that's about the middle. If y'all can see, or if I'm tripping, then y'all will see that it's not in the middle, but it's about the middle. I've never seen this done before, so literally this is kind of like new, but I'm gonna part out a really small triangular section in the front. I'm literally, like I said, I'm going to take a random section from this upper U part I'm going to do.
Knockout. You win.
So that's that side, and I'm gonna do the same thing at the back. So now we're going to take all the braids that we did, the front triangular part, the side part, the back part, and the other side part. We're going to braid them all into one braid. So now we're gonna go on with this Kiss Temptations honey brown dye, and at first we're gonna start with, you know, just a little bit, and you're gonna see me mix it around, get it as incorporated into the water as possible. And I'm actually gonna do a little test that's coming up right here. This is me testing the color just to see if I want to add more, and you'll see I did add more, and then I actually started dipping it in, as you see here. So you can see I liked how the color was, so I'm going to put more of that color into the same batch of water, and I'm going to do this to make the color darker. So here's where I'm going to start to ombre, and basically I just want to take this darker color right below the lighter color. I'm really sorry about this bad angle, but I really did not have any other way to film. You can see this how I'm kind of measuring where I'm gonna start, but you can see the ombre is starting to come along. We're actually gonna do the same thing that we did for the blonde highlights for the brown highlights. I'm gonna take from about this section and just start parting off. So I told y'all, like, I'd never seen anything like this. I've never tried anything like this, but I did have a vision in my head. So as y'all can see, I'm taking really like small sections from really high up, and it gave me a really nice effect, but it was really subtle. So if you are gonna try something like this and you want more like prominent highlights, like highlights, I would say to at least move your sections down lower. So take your pieces from lower down into the wig, and that'll give you more prominent highlights. Another thing is, when you're sectioning out your pieces for your brown highlights, you want to make sure that there's actual brown on the end of the hair, and that'll show you that that's where the highlights will be. And just look at this braid, like, hold up. Look at this, it's so pretty. So now this is what we're going to hold our hair up by. So I don't know why I didn't record me putting in the dye, or at least showing the bottle of the dye, but here it is on the side of the screen. I actually did a little bit less water for this color because obviously this is our like dark brown, so we wanted to come off as dark brown. By using less water, it'll make the color more pigmented. And as y'all can see, I'm just making it darker now, and I'm going to ombre the end with this color now too. It's basically the same process, just with the darker brown. I did the last color. We got to see how it looks with our highlights in there. This is how it looks with the highlights and stuff. It's really subtle, but you definitely can see the little highlights in there from the different colors. But then again, I took really small sections. I took really small sections, and I took them from really far up. So I'm gonna go condition the hair off camera. So this is 2 days later, and you know, the hair air dried, but while it was still wet, I actually did wind up putting some hair oil in there. I think I put BioSilk. So yeah, we're just going in and pressing it out. Alright, so this is the final look and I'm absolutely in love with it. If you like how it came out as well, leave me a like and sound off in the comments. Subscribe for more videos and hit the bell notification button to get notified every time I post, because the more me, the merrier. I will be getting up the install video for you guys, so stay tuned. And like I said, hit that bell notification button. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching and see you in the next video.
Couple bad bitches in my living room. They gon' ask me what I'm tryna get into. My gang hella crazy like a quarter.